So today I found out why hot dogs are sold in packages of 10 while buns are sold in packages of 8. And I will tell you. But first, let me invite you to subscribe to my channel if you are new here and like this video as it helps my channel a lot, and a big thank you in advance. So, as a child, I always thought that there were extra hot dogs in the package because of how sometimes they slip off the grill. You are more likely to drop a hot dog while cooking, so that's why they pack extras. At least that was my childhood explanation. So, throughout the last century, this problem has bothered many people to the point that there is now a petition by Heinz Ketchup Canada to demand that hot dog packages and buns match. Their goal is 7,500 signatures. I will have the link to the change.org petition below in the description box so you can add your name if you wish. So, why are hot dogs and hot dog buns in different counts in the packages? According to an article in Delish written by Nakisa Panel, the Hot Dog Sausage Council explained that the main reason is tradition. In 1940, hot dogs started being sold in packs of 10, just like we have today. I guess before that it was 8. However, the hot dog buns are still sold in packs of 8 because of the pans in which they are baked make 8 at a time. If the hot dogs and the hot dog buns remain being sold in different count packages, Nakisa Panel has a suggestion. Quote, "You can always just purchase 5 8-pack buns and 4 10-pack hot dogs to make it even. Enjoy your 40 meals." Unquote. So there you have it. The why to the question we have had for years. Thank you for stopping by Chef Carter's Cooking Corner. Remember to like, subscribe, share, stick around and watch more videos, and I will see you next time. Take care, y'all.